There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Oh, hey, it's your girl. Hey, y'all already know it's a Sam's Beauty wig. 2-day sensational bare lace. Girl, listen, this lace looks so nude, you would not even remember you wearing a unit. And this is unit 4. But first, let's check out this new wig cap. It does come with some lace in the front, some contoured ears, and a Velcro grip banding around it. So this was sent by Sam's Beauty, and you can pick this up here. Now, this is supposed to make you feel more natural, give your wigs a more natural look. Now, so I did put this on for the video, and I will say I do believe that they may need to put some combs in that wig cap, only because it just slipped right off my head during the wig process. So as you see, this one right here by Sensational comes with 13x6 lace, girl. It comes with an adjustable elastic band. Girl, you can't get no better. This is a synthetic unit. Baby, do it like it's your B-Day. When I tell y'all I have tried so many of these bare laces from Sensational that I love every last one of them. And I got them all in this particular color, which is the ash blonde. It's either ash blonde or ash blonde with highlights. And when I tell you, girl, this is like the yaki/kinky texture hair. Girl, run out and get you one of these units. They are amazing. And I'm telling you, get them in this particular color. This color does me so well. Girl, I ain't tooting my own horn, but toot toot. Okay, baby. I'm loving this color. I actually do have a human hair wig that is the same exact color, and I'm starting to feel like I need to bring it back out. I mean, it's years old, but honey, it's been sitting and waiting to be worn again, okay? She is ready to come back out. This is an amazing color, but all in all, the actual collection by Sensational is definitely amazing. Y'all know how I feel about Sensational. I have been Team Sensational since the very first day that I have ever put on a wig. They were my very first wig brand company that I've ever tried, and I have never went backwards. They've never done me dirty. Sensational has some amazing products, so girl, check out Sam's Beauty for this unit. They have so many units to just choose from, and they have every last one of the Sensational bare lace collection. Plus, I love Sam's Beauty. You can't get no better than Sam's Beauty. They have everything you could imagine that you need. From hair tools, makeup, undo hair, human hair. Girl, check out Sam's Beauty. They also have a Sam's Beauty warehouse, and I do believe it's in Texas. Girl, I need to fly out there, okay? I need to be at the Sam's Beauty warehouse because that place is huge, honey, and I'm ready to go. But anyway, look at this wig. Do you see how much parting space you get on this synthetic lace front? Like, girl, synthetic lace front, where? This is looking like human hair. The texture is beautiful. The construction of this unit is beautiful. And girl, listen, the color, I'm just saying, girl, I'm feeling like $1 million right here with this unit. Very affordable and just very heat friendly. Girl, this is a cutie patootie. This is one of those wigs that you just go out and get and just keep in your collection. When it get old and you need a new one, you just go back and repeat it, okay? Now, like I said, it is heat resistant, so that's why I'm just smoothing down the front. But I love the fact that you can part this in any direction. It's a 13x6, heat friendly, mimics African American hair to the T. Honey, this wig is beautiful. Now, just to make the part come out, girl, I'm going to go ahead and put some of my concealer on. Now, I did notice with certain color hair, you got to have a lighter concealer. So for this particular hair color, I did need a little bit of lighter concealer just so it could really pop and show, which is fine, honey. I'm telling you, this wig is a dime, okay? Girl, this is a wig that you definitely need. I love the units that have the texture of real human hair, especially when it mimics yaki or kinky straight? Yes. And you can put heat to this? Yes. This is a very nice wig. Enough density. Girl, it's just get this wig. Just get this wig. And if you don't believe me, you can check out my other sensational videos with Sam's Beauty. I love this color. They do have other colors to choose from, but this is a very popular color, and I feel like it just looks so good on any skin tone. Now we're about to go ahead and cut those sideburns. You did see that I did use my favorite hairspray, which is the Aussie Instant Freeze, just to make sure that my synthetic lace front wig, baby, held down, was adhered, and was ready to wear. The lace is very meltable, and the hair is just very textured, okay? What can I say? Very textured and just perfect all the way. Now, I do feel like some of the curls might have fell out of the unit, but because it easily curls and easily takes the heat, you can definitely put you in some new curls. Now, I do believe it goes up to 400 degrees in heat. I wouldn't say have it up that high because you don't want to scorch the hair, but have it at a good, decent heat. You know what I'm saying? Temperature. Now look at this. Do you see how this is falling? Baby, I'm feeling like $1 million in this. Cute, hair color, everything, fullness, everything. The fit, perfect. I love the lace. I love the fact that you can part this anywhere. And I love the fact that they made sure to give you some type of parting space and an elastic band. Okay, girl, listen, this was an easy one. Check out the Barely There, Barely Nude. I can't even remember the name. I'm so excited, but honey, this lace is everything. Sensational has done it again. Synthetic lace front wigs are definitely stepping it up a notch, baby. When I tell you that they will have you flawless, they will definitely have you flawless. Check out Sam's Beauty. Like I said, they have everything. They have amazing fast shipping. They always have a great clearance and sales section. They have amazing tools for you to use on your units. And like I said, they do carry human hair bundles. So that way you can either do you a nice sew-in or girl, you can make your own units, okay? Either way, Sensational has an amazing collection also, but Sam's Beauty is definitely where it's at. Let me know what you think of this unit. I will definitely leave the specs, the information in the description box. Make sure you leave a likey like, you know what I'm saying, because it's free. It's definitely not going to cost you anything. Subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Rate, share the video, and get you one of these wigs. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up, and I will definitely see y'all in the next one. And on that note, stay safe, stay blessed. Happy New Year. I love you. And on that note, bye.